Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal na Psychiatry Department ki Anouba Ward Relocation Toukhre. Thoramaduda Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director of RIMS, Professor N. Sanjeev Singh, Medical Superintendent RIMS Hospital, R.K. McCall Singh, Deputy Director Administration, Professor L. Rajesh Singh, Dean Academics, Professor S. Gozendra Singh, Head of the Department of Psychiatry, RIMS Samadi, Professor R.K. Lenin Singh, Department of Psychiatry, RIMS Sarugyaki, Director Sunil Kumar na Fongdorakibada Anouba Environment Asina, Patients Singh Yamna Thuna Fagatpa Oirasanu Haina Wistoki, Lunina, RIMS na Psychiatry gi Postgraduate Seat Hengat Hallagani, Lunina, State Asigi Hanba Autism Clinic Hangdoklagani Haibawafam Thamki.
Number of beds already we can expand to maybe 50 plus, 60 plus. The future having 2 units, then subsequently increasing the number of PG. Maybe one day there should be a double-digit number in a year intact. So I think the government will be happy to accommodate us to have more PG because the country needs more psychiatrists because the mental health has become a big issue around not only this state but also the entire country and also the world. And I think we have lots of things to do. And just to mention, we are planning to open the first autism clinic, maybe I think within this month or so, in collaboration with the state. And talking about the autism, I think we remember last about 3 months back we had a observation of World Autism Day that is in front of OPD.